Okay, so here we are. Okay, I have my oil pan here. So this is the bearing bolt, which is 17 spanner. So I have my ratchet and my 17 horse spanner. I just put it in the oil, then drilling it, put me in the oil inside. Oh, this is very expensive car, very luxurious. Oh, drilling oil, drilling oil, drilling oil. Very luxurious car. I hope to drive one of these cars. I tell you, it's very strong car. So we are just about to remove the old oil. How dirty it is. It's very dirty. So this is how engine oil deteriorates for most of people and most of the car users, because you cannot determine the engine oil deterioration by looking. That is why we set a maintenance data for every 5,000 to 10,000 kilometers, which is 3 months or 6 months and above. So at that time, you probably need to drill the oil and add new oil, because when you start deteriorating the engine oil, dipping it will give you a light looking. So deterioration of engine oil cannot be judged by looking, but it's determined on the amount of time driven, okay, or time use. This is what the most important about engine oil. So maintenance schedule is more important. Looking at this car and looking at this engine oil, that means it has been used for long. So to add a new engine oil will automatically lubricate the system to perform the engine well, because this oil and this kind of lubrication will cause a lot of malfunction and bring more friction. So adding new oil will lubricate the system and the metals in the engine to perform well, and also keep the engine life and long lasting. So this is what is the most important about maintenance. So I'm gonna use my oil filter. I'm so happy. And when you wait for a second for oil to drop down, then I will fix a new oil filter. So this is how it's gonna be. And I tell you what, it's fantastic. It's fantastic. Oil change has been done already, and we are going to set the maintenance data for you to see. So check it out inside the car, and everything is on the setting on the screen. So I'm going to take you into details and teach you how to reset it. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to restart the engine. Then okay, engine has been restart, and you can see, okay, you can see maintenance schedule is due. Okay, maintenance is due. So I'm going to set everything on the screen. So just watch it. Just watch it. Everything is on the screen. So if you open the screen, you have to go to settings. Okay, so I just tap setting. Okay, when you go to setting, you scroll down to vehicle. This is where all the settings have been scheduled to. So I'll just scroll down, and then you see driving position setup, keyless access setup, lighting setup, door setup, power tailgate setup, and then maintenance info. So I just have to press it. Okay, and this is what the system is asking. Oil life is 5% maintenance item number. So we have B, oil and filter, and then 1 tire rotation. So I have to enter reset. Okay, then again, would you like to reset maintenance information? Oil life 5% maintenance item number B1. Reset or cancel. Then I enter reset. Okay, maintenance has been reset successfully. Okay, So this is how it is. And okay, let's check the screen whether you can see it or not. Coming back to the screen, no maintenance schedule again. Okay, it's hook up. Okay, so this is how it is, and it's Eric Auto Center. Please like this video, share and comment, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated. Put your comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.